Hi guys, we're going to get started on a new project called Cut Christmas Trees. And to start today with this part of the video, you're going to need your background paper, your 12 by 18 piece of paper. And I think you guys have navy blue over there, but I just have black, so I just grabbed the black. But it needs to be dark. So it's up to your teacher, but it could be a black, a navy blue, or even like the dark purple will work because it looks like the sky. Okay? And then you're going to need a little 2x2 square of brown for your trunk, and then you're going to need some white, and you're going to need a glue stick. Okay, and that's all you're going to need. And so hold your paper up the tall ways, and what I want you to do is kind of look at it and figure out where the middle is. And here's how you can eyeball it. You can kind of fold it in half, but not actually fold it because you don't want to make a crease. And you can just kind of fold it in half like this, make a U. And if my finger's right there is the middle, I know that's going to be the middle. The other thing you can do is take your hand and kind of measure like, okay, one hand's width from here. That doesn't work very well for me because mine's not quite right. But you can use your pencil. Okay, one pencil. Oh, that works really good. One pen's width from here is right in the middle. Use my pen. That makes it the middle, okay? But I don't want to glue this right at the very bottom, okay? I want to glue it up a little bit because we're going to put the snow on it. So you want to glue it like about right there, okay? So glue stick that. When you glue stick, always go right to the edges and don't do it on top of your finished paper. Do it on a piece of scratch paper on your desk. So you can go right to the edge, but that way you don't get glue all over your finished product and then you have sloppy looking work when you're done. Okay, so I put the glue right here in the middle and I glued my trunk on. Then I'm going to make my snow. And the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the paper, your piece of white paper, you have it laying the same way that makes it go all the way across this way. So don't do it like this. Do it like this, okay? And then go and make sure, like I need it to be, I want it to barely cover up my trunk. So I need it to be about that tall right there. It does not have to be exact, okay? About that tall. And then I'm going to take it, and don't tear this in a big long strip. Don't go like that because then you can't control it. Okay? Slowly tear it with my two fingers like this. I want this torn edge because then it makes it look like fluffy snow. Okay? And I'm going to just kind of gently tear it. Notice I'm not just ripping it apart. Okay, and if I did it like that, then I have my snow here, and now I'm going to glue that at the bottom. Take your time, glue it evenly. It should line up exactly with your edges of your paper, okay? If it doesn't, and you need to cut another little piece, then do that, but just do really carefully and put it on there, and then trim off the extra so it lines up nice and neat with the bottom of your paper, okay? You may have 19 or 18 by 12 paper and only 8.5 by 11 white. So you may have to slightly adjust that, but that will work. Okay, and then you're going to glue it there at the bottom. Okay, and once you get to this point, you are ready for the next video.